Hi, everyone. I'm Dr. Rachel Altvader, and I'm going to teach you how to make a virtual playroom. We're going to be making our playroom on Google Slides. We're going to start off by highlighting these text box and just deleting them, so we have a nice blank screen. Go to this background tab right here. You can change the color to a variety of different colors or gradients, or you can go to image. And there's a variety of different ways that you can upload your background image. If you'd like, you can upload a picture of your playroom, or you can upload a different background or choose one from Google Image. You can search for all kinds of backgrounds. A good start could be just searching for a floor and wall background. So you're just going to write floor and wall background. All of these backgrounds pop up. You can scroll through and choose whatever you'd like. Show you a couple options here. I'm going to go back up to the top and choose this first one. You press insert and then done, and there's your background. The next step is to choose various items to decorate your playroom with. You can go here to insert image, or you can go up here to insert image. You can upload a picture from your computer, or you can search for a photo from the web. Once you click to search from the web, over here, search for images pops up, and you can type in whatever you would like. So we're just going to put a few examples in there. We'll do a couch. I like to add clip art to the end of my photos that I'm searching for because I think it makes it a little extra child friendly. You don't have to do that. The possibilities are truly endless with what you can search for and how you can decorate your own special room. You can resize and move. We'll go back here. Let's say we'll add a bookshelf. Again, I'll just write clip art. Makes it a little bit easier when searching for child-friendly options. You can see a variety of different options here, and you can just keep searching for whatever you're looking for until you find it. Just put this right here for now. Again, you can resize it. Just take the corner, drag it down. Make it as big or as small as you'd like. Maybe we can add a teddy bear. Let's go with this one. All of these pictures that I've chosen so far have a transparent background, so you're able to easily move them about. There are many pictures that do not have transparent backgrounds, so I will show you how to remove those backgrounds shortly. Now let's add some games. We can just add a little Uno. Maybe we can add some blocks. Keep resizing and moving them around. You might want to add your Bitmoji to your room. If you're using the Chrome browser, that's going to be the easiest way to upload your Bitmoji. Just do Bitmoji Chrome extension. And then you can go right to this extension through the web store and add it to Chrome. You would then have to log into your Bitmoji account. Once you've downloaded the extension, it will pop up right here. You can just click this little extension and a variety of Bitmojis will pop up. You can search pose and you can choose a variety of different poses. And then you're able to put it right in the room. I'm going to delete this. If you would like to have your Bitmoji sitting on the couch, up sitting. So you're able to upload a variety of pictures to decorate the walls, the floors, however you would like to decorate your space. Then you're going to want to add links to the various items in your room that you would like to connect to virtual interventions. With Uno right here, you can upload a virtual version of Uno. What you're going to do is highlight this picture. You're going to go to Insert, Link, and then you're going to add the particular link. I've already copied it. I'm going to paste it right here, apply. And now there is a link that is attached to that object. You can make as many slides as you would like in your presentation. So I just click on this, I press return or enter, and it just adds the next slide. Again, I'm going to highlight and delete these text boxes so that we have a blank background. If you'd like, you can upload various games that you would like to play here. So for example, snakes and ladders. You're able to take the game and drag it right onto the slide. And then in order to remove parts of a picture, such as this snakes and ladders, if you don't want the title to be there, you just right click, crop image, and you're able to remove that part. And if you want to crop any other aspects, you're able to just move the cursor to where you would like to crop the object. And there you go. And resize. Move it wherever you would like. You can add text to your slides. Insert text box. Or you can press text box right here. And then you're able to change the font size, be whatever you would like it to be. And you can add emojis or pictures. You can connect links to dice or spinners, a variety of different options available. If you would like to connect an item in your playroom to another slide, then you would highlight that item, insert the link just like you did with the website. And then you can click slides in this presentation. Let's say we want to connect that to the snakes and ladders. We go down to slide 2 and then apply. When you would like to utilize this virtual playroom in your sessions, you can start by screen sharing as long as your teletherapy platform has those capabilities. And then you can present this presentation. And when you click on the various items in the room that have links associated with them, it will take you to that corresponding intervention. It will open up another tab and it will take you to that particular game. If you click on another object that takes you to another slide, it will open up that slide. If you would like to share your virtual room with a client, what you're going to want to do is make a copy of the slides, because you don't want to send any links to clients where other clients are going to have that same link and potentially log in at the same time. So you make a copy of the entire presentation, and then it's going to open up another link. You're going to go to share. You might need to edit the privacy settings. So you'll go here and anyone with the link. If you don't do this step, then if you send the link out to clients, they're going to receive an error message. You then copy this link and you can share it with your client in your teletherapy platform. If there's an interactive game in this slideshow that you would like to play with the client, such as snakes and ladders, there are pieces that you've put in there, then you and your client would be able to access this at the same time and move the pieces together. If you would prefer not to send a copy of your playroom out to your clients, then you are more than welcome to continue to screen share on your end. You can always share a link with a client to a spinner or a dice, depending on what you choose to use for whatever game you're playing, and then they can tell you how many places to move. Some interventions are interactive, where you and your client can enter the same space at the same time. So with Uno Freak, for example, you'll start a new game. You'll make a random room name. We'll create the game. And then the room URL will pop up right here. You will copy this URL and send it to your client. Then you'll both be able to play in the same space. Some games may require that you play on your end and you continue to screen share, or you have your client play on their end and they screen share. It really depends on the intervention that you're utilizing and the capabilities of that particular platform or website. These rooms are really fun to make. You can make numerous spaces for different clients, for clients of different age ranges, different presenting problems, different areas of focus. It is strongly encouraged that you carefully select your interventions just as you would in an in-person playroom. Toys really should be selected and not collected. The same applies in the virtual world. A lot of virtual interventions can seem very fun, and we want to make sure that we are choosing them with intention and that there is a set purpose for what we include in our playroom. Just to give you an example, this is my virtual playroom. I started off with a picture of my actual playroom and decided to make my playroom a tablet. I inserted shapes that became these apps. Each of the objects in my playroom represent something that is in my physical playroom. I wanted to digitize what my clients were already familiar with playing. If you're interested in checking out a tour of my virtual playroom, I posted a video on YouTube and I added all of the links to the description, and you are more than welcome to use them for your own playrooms.